something I can do to help this go faster? I have no patience, I always had the need to run away. I need time to go faster and faster. If there's something I can do to help this go faster, and can I do something about it? I have no patience. I always feel the need to go faster and faster. But it's not working and I'm starting to fall desperate. And it's not working and I'm trying to hurry up the time, but I cannot. If there's something I can do to help this go fast, I was told I was going to die sooner, and I always feel like I am lost in time. As I'm being pursued by the dead itself, as I am being pursued by did itself. If there's something I trying to make time go faster, I have no patience and I cannot speed up the time, because I always felt the need to run. If there's something I can help this go faster, like this today. I can see it coming closer, like this today. And I can see it coming closer, eyes are close to me, I can feel it breathing down my neck. If there's something I can do to help this go faster, I feel haunted like I'm wasting time, like that dead is coming for me, like it's running and it's running and it's running, and I can't escape. Like it's running and it's running and it's running and it's running, and I can't escape. And I feel like the dead is right here, and I can't escape.